Hello YouTube. Today I've got the Vaude Terra Hogan 2P. I've used this about 5 nights. It's a bit chunky, but it's a solid tent. It's easy to put up. Let's give this a try. First gripe. It's not going to be many, honest. The pegs you get are pathetic. There they are. Vaude, what are they, about 6 inches long, and you get 6. This tent needs about 15, I think, from memory. What you're supposed to do with these, I do not know. Just chuck them in the bin, right? Get some bigger, better ones. You can get these cheaply. Just aluminium, Chinese sort of tri-style pegs. They're light. 15 of these do the job. So what I like to do is just put 1 or 2 pegs in first so it doesn't blow away. The pole system is really cool. It just comes in one piece, so you can't go wrong. With this elastic then, just loops over the top, clips onto the tent. I've seen a lot of people questioning the durability of this system, but if you look on eBay, you'll see easy 20-25-year-old ones of these tents, and they seem still fine. The back end is also quite unique on there. It's a little bit tricky to get right. Pull the top one. And what that does then is make a wider, higher area for where your feet are. The guy lines also wrap around the pole to further strengthen that connection. And it is up. So one thing you can't deny, this tent looks really cool. It's so unique. Apparently it's eco-friendly. Don't quite know what that means. Something to do with the material they use. You can see it's a really nice sort of hexagon material in there. And if you get the wind, you've got a sort of suspension system to help you out. It should keep you nice and cozy inside. My favourite feature of this tent is the door. It's so well thought out. You can open it either side, or to vent it, look at that. You've got a massive opening there now, and it's completely protected from the rain. If it comes down here, it's going to fall down forwards. That's not the only way you can do it either. So you could have this door open. So you've got a nice way in and out. If it's still raining, you could have your stuff safe on that side. This door opens as well. And again, you can toggle it off for the center. And if you still haven't got enough room, pull this peg out. There's no problem. Tent isn't going to go anywhere. You just chuck it up there. Now look how much space you got to look out. Brilliant. Let's take a look inside. Vaude Terra Hogan 2P. Could have got rid of that dirt first, couldn't I? So you have got enough room for 2 people. I normally just use this for myself, maybe the dog. You've got decent pockets either side. A washing line all the way to here, with the option to bring it further if you wanted. Bring it to there. And there's even one here, actually. So you could add a few more if you wanted, up that way. But you might have noticed one thing. There is no ventilation. This is about all you get, so it's great if you're a freezer like me. You can close that bit off. But hang on, there's nothing on the outside. The only real solution is to leave that front open a slight bit in the night. It works fine. Like I say, the rain can't come in there, and then you've got your vent. I do find, however, no matter what I do, there's always a bit of condensation, and that is in the corners here on either side at the front. So there's just not enough air to breathe. It's nice and warm, but you do need to think there's going to be a slight bit of condensation in there. So there it is. It's a really cool looking tent. Once you get over the fact that there's not enough pegs and you're going to get a little bit of condensation in there, I think this is a great winter tent. It's nice and warm. You can sit in there comfortably when the rain is coming down. I was going to sell it because I've got a few different tents at the moment, but putting it back up now, I think I might keep it. It looks really cool. So here's a look at the rainproof ventilation. If it was raining right now, I'd be completely dry. Everything inside would be fine. As you can see, you can adjust this as much as you need to, as little as you want. It's about 2.2 kilogram. Like I showed you at the start, it's quite a chunky package, but it's super easy to put up, and it should last and last. Perfect for winter conditions. Yeah, I think it is a good tent. If you want to see this in action, go and check out my channels. Like I say, I've been out in this about 5 times now. Thanks for watching that review. Catch you again next time.